$9.25 for 11.8 miles. I'm good. 11%, I'm cool with it.
Come on now, dog.
Like this gonna be a $5 order. We got $5 for 4 miles. Viva La Fiesta. Bruh. That's a decline. That's gonna take us down to, hey, 11%. Let's go. 11%. The acceptance rate. That's what I like to see. Boom. So this is what we working with right now. You know, pretty rough. This is the before the haircut preview. I'm looking rough out here. I'm about to go do some Uber Eats and some DoorDash. I'm about to do, look, Grubhub, whatever I gotta do to make this 200, that's what we about to do. But first, we about to get this taken care of because your boy is looking kind of rough.
Yes, sir.
We at Sam's Club. We finna get some gas. Might as well turn my Uber Eats app on while I'm right here. Got that going. And let's get this gas going. So gas is $3.60. First Uber Eats order. $6.07 for 8.7 miles at McDonald's. No, sir. We're not taking that. Park that Sam's Club for right now. Order number 2. We got $6.57. 2 units. What that say? 9.9 miles? That is crazy. No, sir. We won't be taking that either. Let's wait for the first good order to come through. Walmart Spark got a few offers. What's that? $14.76 for, whoa, 22 miles? 22.4 miles to be exact. And there was another order up there too. That one had 7 stops and it was also 20 miles. No. We're going to wait for a good order, guys. I'm not taking no trash orders. Look, I'm not starting off my day the wrong way. I need something good. You know, if they want to send me a $30 order, maybe $30 for 8 miles, it could be as much as 10 miles, but 30 for 8 would be a good way to start off. Because I just filled up this gas tank, so I don't really want to head in any direction. I want to see which way the good order is going to pull me. What's that first order going to be? I already done spent $60. So I need to make something happen. What that say? 5.1 miles. That's crazy. All right, so I've been sitting here for at least 10 minutes now since I got my gas. I even started watching some YouTube. That's how I know I'm bored. Uber Eats ain't sent me nothing else. Grubhub has sent me nothing at all. And DoorDash ain't letting me on the schedule. Not quite yet. We not top dashing, but that's okay. Our DoorDash acceptance rate is currently at a 12%. Look at that. We getting it in. Spark ain't sent me nothing good over here, so my strategy for right now is go over to the other side of town, see if I can get me an order. All right, so we finally got us a little bitty, itty bitty $5 Chick-fil-A order. I am here now. I'm about to head up in there. Hopefully they got it ready, and hopefully Uber starts to send me more orders now that I now that I have accepted my first one. The Chick-fil-A order was ready. It say estimated mileage is 2 miles, but that's not right because they doing construction right here around this Chick-fil-A. So it's really like a mile. But once I make it out onto the main road, it's gonna be less than a mile. So we good to go. Order number 1, little bitty $5 baby order. So we got our little Chick-fil-A order done. It's slow out here on this Tuesday. We basically been out for a whole hour and we only got $2 confirmed. But we basically made $5. DoorDash, I still got like 40 minutes before they even gonna let me hop in the schedule. It didn't even flash a dash now or anything. It's gonna, man, this food delivery is getting rougher and rougher. Let me know if you're having a better experience than I am with the DoorDash and the Uber Eats app. Yesterday was actually pretty surprising though. Yesterday night, I was able to make $70 with Uber Eats. And of course, as I'm talking stuff, they send me an order. That's what I like to see. Yes, $7, 2.3 miles. Cold Stone Creamery is right across the street too. We definitely will be accepting that. Who we picking up for? We picking up for China. She got a birthday cake remix. Okay. And a create your own shake and a going for bananas jello pudding. That sounds great. Looks like we got something coming in over here on Walmart Spark. Let's go ahead and have a look at that. $32.98 for 24.9 miles. No sirski. It look like it's about to rain out here today, guys. Oh no, it ain't looking. It's definitely about to rain for sure. I just love coming in here because this always smells so good. How you doing? And they always got nice of pretty stuff to look at too. Let's go ahead and have a look at this while they getting that order ready. Ooh, I'm getting hungry. Oh my goodness, look at that. See, it's one of the good things about coming in Cold Stone. You get to see all these treats, see what you're gonna spend your money on. That is awesome. Boom, order is ready to go. All right, so quick little update. We just got that order dropped off. It was going to an elementary school, so we got no drop-off action. We're actually leaving out right now. But they sent me an order, I'll throw a screenshot up. I was able to grab a quick screenshot. They was sending me one of them along the way deliveries. They knew I was getting close to the drop off, so they tried to hurry up and throw me one real quick. Declined that one, but I did accept another little $5 Starbucks run. So we finna head over to Starbucks and grab that. Coffee runs keeping me busy. I got 20 minutes until I can hop on the DoorDash schedule. So I'm actually pretty grateful that we got this. It keeps me going, even though it ain't putting a whole bunch of money in my pocket on this one order. It is giving me at least some gas money, and it's a profitable order, and it's bringing me back to where I need to go. So, you know, I'm taking what I can get right now, and luckily I'm actually able to get a few orders done with Uber Eats back to back, because normally it don't be like that. All right, guys, as you can see, it is raining. We got the wipers going. But real quick, DoorDash let me on the schedule a little bit early. Look what they sent me first. $4.25 for 3.4 miles. No, sir. Look, we're going to be declining that. Let's go ahead and hit that decline button. Excuse me, I only got two hands, so, you know, boom, we decline that. Let's see what come in next. It looked like it's busy, though. Look at this big old hotspot they just popped up on the map. Check it out. Look like it's nice and busy. So you know what? We're going to hang tight right here for a little second. They sent me an order here. I'm going to hang right here. We still got Uber Eats going. Let's see if we can really make some money now for real. All right, we got an Uber Eats order coming in. $9 for 24.6 miles. That's crazy right there. Taj Indian Cuisine, 41-minute estimated time. No, sir. That's absolutely insane. So we got $6.47 confirmed on Uber Eats. $7.45 for 16 miles on Uber Eats. No, sir, we're not going to be taking that. DoorDash sending me an order at the same time. We got $4.24 for 2.6 miles. Now, I'm not opposed to doing a $4 order on DoorDash, but I need the mileage to be really low. The merchant is good. We got Subway. But still, though, for, you know, if this would have came in at $5.75, we'd be in business. But looky here, I'm not a $3 driver. I'm not driving a $4 order 2 miles down the road. You're going to have to put a little bit more sauce on that one, DoorDash. But at least it's getting busy now. This, you know, orders are picking up. The volume's picking up. It's like this going to be a $5 order. We got $5 for 4 miles. Viva La Fiesta. I just turned the zoom down a little bit. It looked like I was zoomed in a little bit too much. So we turned that down. $5, 4 miles. That's a decline. That's going to take us down to, hey, 11%. Let's go. 11% on the acceptance rate. That's what I like to see. Boom. Down we go. Look how big that map just expanded. Let's go. It's orders out here. How about $8 for 1 mile, DoorDash? That sounds like a good miles to money ratio for me. Even if you want to just show me like $6.50. I'd be okay with that. If it's $6.50 for 1 mile, then with the hidden tip, it go up to like $8.25. Let's see if we can get some of that jamming. I like that. Okay, we got a Starbucks. Nope. $3.75 for 3 miles. That Starbucks is going to stay right there. And I just left from Starbucks doing an Uber Eats run, so I know they don't have no other orders up there just sitting. And even if they did, we is not picking it up for $3.75. That's for sure. So, you know, we're going to go ahead and decline that. Still sitting at 11%. We're going to make our way down to them single digits. All right, Uber, talk to me nicely. Talk to me nicely. $8 for 16 miles. That is not nice talk, Uber. That is not nice talk right there. $8, 16 miles. We declining that. Okay, so I've been sitting here for like 4 minutes. I declined a few orders, but now I'm on to my next spot. We about to go like half a mile down the road, basically sit right in front of these merchants. Let's see if that's the move we need. All right, so we just got a DoorDash order, and this one is bad. We got $4.50 for 3.7 miles, and that's bad enough as it is. Tell me why it got the nerve to be 2 orders. 2 pickups at Viva La Fiesta and 2 drop-offs for $4.50. That's crazy. That's a decline. What's this Uber? $9, 6 miles? No, thank you. Next up, we got $6.50 for 3.5 miles. I think I can take that. $6.50 for 3.5. Let me go ahead and grab a screenshot real quick. Boom. Let's see. High Point Drive-In. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and snatch that. That gets me sitting from right here. It's barely 2-to-1. It's not 2-to-1. It's not 2-to-1. It's barely a good acceptable offer. I really like these to be $7 for this mileage, but this is dropping me off on the other side of town. Not the other side of town, the other side of this little work area that I'm working in. This little 3-mile bubble, I'm going to the other side of it with this order. So, you know, with that in mind, I'm cool. I'll go ahead, head over here to High Point real quick, and we'll pick up this order. Matter of fact, what we're gonna do is we just gonna set this right here on the tripod, and hopefully that stays. We're gonna give that a shot. So as you can see, it is definitely raining hard now. Like the rain is straight up coming down, like for real. But it's all good though. We finna head right across the street with this one. This is like what, my 4th order of the day? I think I did 3 Starbucks orders. No, not 3. 3 Uber Eats orders so far. And this is my first DoorDash order for sure. And of course, first DoorDash order as soon as the rain start. Let's get some windshield wiper action. There we go. Oh yeah, that rain is coming down good, but it's all good. We right here, we pulling in. I think Grubhub just sent me one. Hold on, let me see if I can make it over to the Grubhub app. Yep, there go that cowbell. $10 for 10 miles? Let me just quickly grab a screenshot, and in the same breath, I'm about to decline that. That's crazy. $10, 10 miles. 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. Okay, so High Point is right here, but this is actually my first time being here. I've never been to this merchant before. And oh my goodness, it's raining cats and dogs, if you wouldn't believe it. Look at this. Let me go ahead and turn the wipers off. Look how much it's raining. It is coming down. Okay. I hope they got this thing ready. If this was drive-through pickup, that would be even better. It does not say that we can use the drive-through. I don't got no umbrella. Let's see if I can make it up there. See, I don't see a pickup window or nothing. But you know what? That is all right. Throw this hat on real quick so I don't get too wet. All right, let's see if they got this one ready. We picking up for Anton. Before I head up in here though, let me check this pickup time. Pickup time is 3:07. All right, so it should be ready. I got my fingers crossed. I'm about to run up in here. Hopefully I don't get too wet. Oh my goodness. All right, that didn't take too long. They didn't have it ready, but they were bagging it up. Let's get to this car. Get to this car. Get to this car. Get to this car. Oh my goodness. Woo! And I did not bring a jacket. Okay, we got a Uber. We got some Uber action. What's crack-a-lacking on Uber? $11, 8 miles. I'm glad I missed it. I ain't even mad. Our first DoorDash order of the day, $6.50 for 3.5. It is not gonna go up. It will stay the same. Depending on the mileage, that's how the DoorDash algorithm decides how much of the tip that it wants to show you. So depending on if you're doing a 3-mile order, a 4-mile order, you know, 2-mile order, if there's a certain amount of mileage on the order, that will dictate how much tip you get. So let's look at this order right here. We had 3.5 mile delivery distance. So that lets me know that it showed me the full tip amount and there will be nothing else. Let's go ahead and finish this order on up, complete it, and see what it comes out to. It's gonna stay $6.50. Come on, show me that $6.50. Look, $6.50 right there, you see it, $6.50. That's still loading for some weird reason. But you see it right there. Let's see what we get next. $9.25 for 11.8 miles. Yeah, I'm good. 11%. I'm cool with it. Next up, $9.25 for 10.8 miles at Starbucks. That's also gonna be a decline. Yay! We made it to 10%. Let's go. $8.17 for 2 miles. I got a screenshot. 4 seconds left. Taco Bell for that taco smell. We got 4-to-1 miles to money ratio and Taco Bell right across the street. And Uber Eats sending me an order at the same time. Let's see what that is. Ooh, $13.04 for 9 miles at Target. I cannot get with that. That's a little bit too much for me. But I tell you what, hold on. Is we getting an add-on? Because I definitely accepted that Taco Bell. Oh my goodness, that's a no-tip add-on. That's all bad. We won't be doing that. But I'll do this Taco Bell. I didn't even know they did add-ons at McDonald's. That's crazy. Look, let's go ahead and get a screenshot. But shout out to Dennis, man. Go ahead, head over to Dennis Jerome Jr. formerly known as the Amazing Hustler, hit that subscribe button for him. He's doing a little live stream right now. We gonna decline this and keep it moving. Look, let's decline that. Let's see what this other Uber offer talking about. $4 for 4 miles? Nah, I'm good. I'm good on that. That's a decline. Let's head over to Taco Bell, see if they got this order ready. Dang, another Uber order? $10, 9 miles, PetSmart. I'm smart. I'm gonna leave that alone. All right, guys, so we got our Taco Bell order in the car. We about to drop that thing off. And Uber Eats just blessed me. They sent me a $10 order. $10, 2 miles at Red Robin, not Round Robin, Red Robin. Let me get through this little construction real quick, because I see this car up here acting like they ain't got no driving skills. They act like they don't see these people working and don't see me coming through the street before them. They thought they was finna go ahead of me. Well, guess what? It's not happening. So let's drop this one off. We got like another 30 seconds till we pull up to the destination. Contactless delivery on this one, so you know I like that. Now it look like this customer house is like all the way in the back off the main street. Like that don't make no sense. So hopefully I ain't gotta do the whole bunch of walking, because we is Dirty Multi-app. And technically, I should have already been heading to Red Robin, but you know, sometimes you gotta still drop one off when you head into your delivery destination. So that's kind of what we're dealing with. Perfect, I'm glad I came this way, because it would have took me longer if I would have went the opposite way. Looks like we going to number 4 on 135, number 4. Okay, so that's 137. Okay, that's 135 right there, boom, we good to go. Let's go ahead and park this and see if we can quickly run this Taco Bell up in there. Gonna have to leave y'all in the car because they got 2 drinks on this Taco Bell. What? No worries, I will sit y'all right here. Let's go ahead and get everything ready so we can take our picture. I hate the contactless delivery because it always make you call them, type in a little message, and then you can take your picture. Like, bro, ain't nobody got time for that. I'm trying to be in and out, in and out. You got me doing all this extra stuff. No, just let me click that button, take a picture, and be out. You feel me? Because that's what I'm trying to do. All right, let's do this. And this one came in at $8.12, and it had a whole bunch of items on it, even though it don't look like a lot. I think this one might go up, but I could be wrong. Either way, I need to hurry up because I got another $10 order waiting on me. Shut your ass up. All right, we got that dropped off. Let's confirm that. 17 stays 817. Surprisingly, that one only got a $3 tip and a really high base pay. Wasn't expecting that, but it's all good. Let's head over to Red Robin. All right, so this is what we about to do. Look, I'm about to show you guys, throw some screenshots up of all these orders they've been sending me on this little drive back. We lost the Uber Eats order, first and foremost. I literally was almost at Red Robin. I looked down, the order was gone. So starting from backwards, let me go over these orders after I see this Uber order. 1446, 2 drop-offs, 25.5 miles. That's absolutely crazy. Look, this DoorDash shift is about to end soon. Grubhub send me 1 dumb order and that's it. Man, okay, so 1446 on that Uber order. We got $10.50 for 17 miles. 2 pickups, 1 drop off. Both orders go to the same customer, but guess what? Both orders gonna stay right where they at because we is not taking that. Then they sent me $15.50 for 11.4 miles. 2 pickups right next door to each other, Freddy's Frozen Custard and Chipotle. 1 drop, no, two pickups right next to each other, 2 drop-offs. Still a bad order. We not doing that. Then Uber sent me $7.68 for 7 miles. Trash. DoorDash sending me all these long distance deliveries. I made it all the way down to a 7% acceptance rate. I'm quite proud of myself. We got $11.50 for 12.1 miles. Like, DoorDash is trash. DoorDash is trash, man. Then look at this $2 add-on they tried to send me earlier. No. Like, come on, man. Look,